Hey guys, welcome back to PE. This is Mr. Ganley. Right now, you should be on the updates page in Schoology. If you're on the updates page in Schoology, to get to your activities for today on Friday, what I need you to do is click on Materials. Once you're in Materials, you're going to scroll down, all the way down, and you're going to get to the yellow unit folder for today, Responsible Personal and Social Behavior. Click that. Once in that folder, I only have one folder open for today, and that's to deal with safety. So you're going to click on Learning Set 6. Inside Learning Set 6, you're going to start with the very first folder, the red folder, Getting Started. There you'll have two warm-ups. You'll complete both warm-ups. Then you'll go back and complete the Learn About and Practice yellow folder. Once in the yellow folder, I want you just to complete Activity 2, Safety Dance. When finished, you'll then go back out into the green folder, Show What You Know. And there you'll have a quick 2-question quiz. And that's your assignment for today on Friday. I'll be back live with you on Monday. Work hard, do your best, and we'll see you soon.